Care, episode 53, Building a Snow Fort. Who threw that snowball? He asked. Bert looked up. Snowy branches were above Care. Nobody threw a snowball, Care, said Bert. He wasn't listening. He looked around. Maybe Frog threw it, said Care. Frog is asleep for the winter, said Bert. The snow came from. It was Squirrel, said Care. I think he's awake. Bert sighed. We need a snow fort, said Care. Then we'll be safe. He made a wall out of snow. We don't need a snow fort, said Bert. Kip kept walking. Soon, Kip's snow fort was finished. Squirrel walked over. Hi, Kip. Kip frowned at Squirrel. Did you throw a snowball at me? He asked. No, why? Asked Squirrel. A strong wind blew. Snow fell on Kip and Squirrel. Someone threw a snowball, they both cried.